In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install LibreOffice on your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, this process should be the same. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to do this, first go to your Windows computer and open any browser of your choice. For my case, I'll use Google Chrome. So I'll go to search and search for the app by name. So I'll search for LibreOffice. And here is the official website. Now, if I tap on it, here you'll be taken to the official LibreOffice official website. Now, under this, you can go to downloads here, or you can just directly click on download now using this download option. If I click on this, you will be redirected to this download page where you can see the current version. Now from this, choose the one you want. Here we have these versions. We have the latest version, which is version 26.2.4 for both 32-bit and 64-bit Windows operating system. So choose, if you're on Windows, you just choose this first option, and this will begin the download. As you can see, it has been downloaded and the download is in progress. Now, because this file is quite huge, it is over 355 MB, this might take time. You can monitor the progress using this progress bar here, and within some minutes it should be done. Once it is done, now just click on the file location, and here it is under downloads. Now to install it, just double click on it, and the installer file will begin to extract all the needed files for installation. As you can see, it is preparing to install. Here, proceed and tap on next. Choose whether you want this setup or this. We have typical and custom, so go with this first option, that is typical, and you're told it will be installed with the default components. So that's what we need. Click on next, and now choose whether you want to create a shortcut on your desktop or not. I'll check this. You may also want to choose whether you want to load this program on system startup. For this case, I will not select that. I'll just select the first one, then finalize by tapping on install. Now click on yes, and the installation process is underway. So here, make sure you don't close this window. And finally, the installation has finished. So once it is finished, you can see we have the LibreOffice. Once it's done, now you should see a LibreOffice shortcut here on your desktop. If you double click on it or right click on it and choose open, this will open this program. And here we go. The program has been launched. Now you can start using this program on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. So that's how you can install LibreOffice on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.